So welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel where I do lots and lots of pink DIYs and hauls and reviews. Today's is going to be very in season with wintry Christmas stuff. I am going to be doing a Etsy pink Christmas haul. So they actually have a lot of pink Christmas things on Etsy, which is super cool, and I really love it because you can't really find pink Christmas things quite like this around the internet because usually Christmas things aren't pink. But I really love light pastel, kind of icy color pink for Christmas, as you can tell from my Christmas DIY that I did like a week ago or so. But I really love the idea of Etsy and how it's like kind of entrepreneurial and people get to make their own things with their own style and sell it on a platform. I think it's so cool. So I'm really excited to show you guys what I got today, and let's get right into it. So one of the first ones that I got in the mail was this pink Christmas tree here. Isn't it so cute? It is so cute. Like I can't get over it. It looks like a pink tutu, and it has this like pearl garland. It also comes off, but it's just wrapped on right now. And it came in this box right here, just so you can see kind of how it was packaged. It says right here on this little label to do additional fluffing and straightening and stuff, because it was kind of like a little bit flattened to fit in the box, but it was super easy to fluff and get pretty because it was already super pretty. And this literally looks cute like anywhere in my room. I don't really know if I could make this. This is mainly like a haul because I do a lot of DIYs, but these are like advanced DIYs, like that I don't know if I could actually do. It looks so professional, and it's just really nice. Like the bottom here, it's got like a nice little wood platform with like a little soft felt part, and it's just so well made. That's one thing that I really noticed about the things I've gotten from Etsy, is it seems like I'm buying from a high-end company with how it's packaged and labeled, and people really put thought into these projects, and it is just like a really special piece to me now, and I wish I could keep it out all year. So next up is this pink crew neck that I got from Etsy, and it says on it, "On Christmas we wear pink," and it is kind of a Mean Girls reference obviously, but wintry Christmas version, so I just love that. It is so me. And also this crew neck is crazy warm and so cozy. I actually already wore it up skiing before I took this video, and it has been tested and it is warm and perfect. So aside from the super nice high quality crew neckness of this, the design is crazy cute and also applied super well, and I will wear this crew neck probably the rest of winter and next winter and until it is worn to pieces. Okay, so this one was the last one that I got, and I have peeked at them, but they're still in the package, and they are these pastel pink ornaments, and I am so excited about these. I don't have my own house yet or my own Christmas tree. It's gonna be like a flocked white one, by the way, but I haven't gotten it yet because I have nowhere to put it. But these I'm gonna keep for like ever, and I'm always going to decorate a tree with them because oh my gosh, they are so cute. So I'm gonna show you them now. And by the way, these were packaged like really well. They were in like this huge box filled with like the little peanuts, and then in the middle was this box, or this bag of them in the poppy bag, you know, what do you call it? So it's very well protected and none of them broke. Okay, oh my gosh. I am dying. I love these. Are these not the freaking cutest thing you've ever seen? And there's like 3 different versions of it. So this one here is the big one, and then it also comes with these medium-sized ones, and then these little bows with the gems in the middle. So we have lots of different variations to put all around the Christmas tree. And I got the full set of them, which is like, I don't know how many, I think it was like 12 or 17 or something like that. They're a little tiny bit spendy, but oh my gosh, it is so worth it. Like, I'm gonna get a close-up of the actual ornament ball itself, because it is this thick, like textured pastel pink material, and it is not a cheap ornament, guys. Like, this is high quality and handmade. So there it is right here, this one. And then if you can see, there's like that texture to it, and they're so sparkly. So that is it for my Etsy haul. Let me know which one of these pink Christmassy Etsy items was your guys' favorite. I personally cannot pick. I like literally can't. These are all my new favorite things for Christmas, and I wish I could use all of them all year round so much. But I've had an amazing experience with these sellers on Etsy, and I would totally recommend all of them so much. So I will leave links down below for you guys to check out any of these listings. Let me know if you have any other video suggestions for me, and I think I have one more Christmas video for you guys. Also, remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Love you guys, and I will see you next time.